If you are blogging in 2025, this particular video is for you. Whether you're using Adsterra, Monta, Hit-Up Ad, AdSense, and a lot more. All you need to do is to watch this video down to the very end, because I'm going to simply break it down for you so you can understand it and also implement what I'm going to show you right here in this very video. I'm going to simply review everything about Adsterra and how I do my blogging, alright? And in this video, we're going to be doing 4 simple steps, alright? So the first step, I'm going to show you how to find weekly high CPM geolocations, alright? And secondly, I'm going to simply show you how to grab ideas from Google. And thirdly, I'm going to show you with advertisement and affiliate links. And fourthly, I'm going to simply show you how to boost your traffic organically without depending on Google to index your website. Okay, so without further ado, let's go into the first step. The first step, I'm going to show you how to find high CPM geolocation for your Adsterra. Okay, so if you already have your blog website, if you've already created your Adsterra account, you just have to make sure you watch this video down to the very end. Okay, just head over to your account which you've already created. If you don't know how to create an account, I've already made a couple of videos on how to create Adsterra account, or you go ahead and check out our blog website. I have tutorials on that. Okay, all you need to do is simply head over to this video website right here. This is adsterra.com. just register as a publisher. All right, when you register as a publisher, the next thing you have to do is simply head over to this section right here, this little icon right here. Just click on this little icon. When you click on that, you're going to see some stuff right here. Okay, so all you need to do is to simply go ahead and click on these messages. Under your messages, you're going to see your own manager who always update you on the higher CPM countries of the week. Okay, go ahead and try it, then add your website right there. Make sure that your ad is displayed on your website. Okay, if you don't have a blog website, make sure you join us on the Telegram channel. My team are going to simply handle that for you. Okay, so if you come over to this video session right here, you're going to see this is my own manager. This message was 2 days ago. Okay, so if you click on this one right here, you're going to see these are the messages they sent me. They sent on this video account. Okay, on all of my Adsterra account, there is a specific message that comes up. Okay, for instance, this one is coming from LAN, and in my other account I have another female typing on my own account. Okay, and this is going to simply tell you all of the CPM countries that you can target on Adsterra. Okay, for instance, if you come over to this section, this is what they say: hi Cash Club. For this account, here is the list of our top geos this week. Okay, these countries are the best target for social media traffic and tend to bring the highest rate. All right, so for adults, for me, I don't like displaying adult content on my website. I don't like that. Okay, so I normally neglect all of this stuff right here. Then I go for the mainstream. Okay, the mainstream is where I belong. Okay, so this is what I do. I go over to this video section right. You can see right here for mainstream ad, these are the categories of countries that you can target and the devices. All right, so all you have to do is to simply go ahead and take note of this stuff. All right, from now henceforth, I'll be adding this update on our WhatsApp channel and also on our Telegram channel. Okay, for those that doesn't have these features on their own Adsterra account. Okay, so that you stay updated even if your account doesn't have these. All right, so all you need to do is to simply go ahead and take note of all of these countries. These are the countries that we can easily target. That is basically how to find high CPM countries. Okay, so if you look at these high CPM countries, the next thing you have to do is to grab ideas from Google. So how do you grab ideas from Google? For instance, this is your Adsterra right here, and these are the list of the higher CPM countries they showed you right here. The next thing you have to do is simply pick out what the individuals in each of these countries are searching for, so you can make posts about that. Okay, select United States, then you head over to Google trend.google.com. Yeah, this is for Nigeria, but I don't want to go for Nigeria. I'm targeting United States like the way they've already shown me. Right, so I'm going to simply head straight to this very section right here. Just click on this button right here, and you have to simply locate United States, right? USA. Just click on it. This is for United States. Okay, these are the stuff that are trending in past 24 hours. You can see right here, each of these stuff right here has their own niches. All right, so these stuff right here that are popping up might not be your own niche. Okay, so because they are not your niche, you cannot write about them. Okay, the best thing to do is to head to this section right here that says explore. Okay, right, so if you click on explore, this is going to simply give you broad metrics of what is happening in that exact country. You can see United States right here is targeted. Then select past, let's say past 30 days, your niche, your website niche. Okay, so if your blog is about football, finance, and a lot more, you can simply come over to this section and select that. Okay, so let's say for instance our stuff is about football, right? Then we're going to simply select sports. Okay, let's search for sports. Okay, this is it right here. When you click on sports, this is going to pop up for you, right here. These are stuff that are trending at the moment, but they don't give you a specific metric like how many search volumes and how many people are searching for this and a lot more. They don't give you this on the explore page. For you to get the real metric and the right volume of search traffic, you just need to come to this section and click on this trending, right? Active trend, the one that says trending. Then go to the categories. This is where you select your niche of your blog. All right, click on this. You can highlight it, you copy it. The next thing you have to do is to simply go ahead and go over to ChatGPT. When you come to ChatGPT, make sure you give it this prompt: give me 10 best search topic and blog ideas under this Google trend keyword. All right, then you have to simply paste that keyword right here. All right, then paste it. If you want to paste multiple keywords, just write this one. Just add keyword right here instead of keyword, so that ChatGPT will not make mistakes. All right, then under this, then select another one, go back to trend. Then let's say we want to go for Texas versus this. Okay, the reason why we are using ChatGPT is because we want to make sure that it gives us what is going to give us engagement on social media like Facebook and lots more. Okay, and also on this website, which I'm going to show you traffic. Okay, just give it as many as possible, then click on this send button. So these are the stuff that you're going to simply write about right now. All you need to do is simply go ahead and copy each and every one of them right here. Use your auto blogging that you've already integrated on your blog website to write all of this. Okay, I've already made a video on how to write with auto blogging plugin, which my team are going to simply install on your blog website if they're building your blog website. Okay, so if you don't have auto blogging, just go ahead and integrate yours if you don't want to be writing every single time. Okay, so if you have your auto blogging, it's going to simply be handling the writing while you focus on getting right keyword. That when you write that on your spot blog website, the next thing you have to do is to simply go to the next step with advertisement and affiliate link. All right, so after posting your blog content on your blog website, the next thing you have to do is to simply, it could be Adsterra, it could be Montague, it could be AdSense and a lot more. Okay, so when you have this in place, you can as well integrate affiliate link from platforms like ShareSell and a lot more. All right, so the next thing you have to do right now is simply head over to your blog website. This is going to simply be your blog. Then you have to simply click on the add new post, add your blog content title right here, and you paste it right here. Okay, then add your blog content right here and you hit on the publish and publish your blog post. Okay, you can see right here, these are advertisements, and these ads right here, most of them are coming from Adsterra, hit up ad, AdSense and a lot more. Okay, it's your blog content. Then we're going to simply go over to the next step, which is to show you how to drive organic traffic to your blog website. Like I told you before, I'm going to simply show you 3 simple ways to get that. Okay, if you want to get straight traffic to your blog website, make sure you focus on these 3 simple steps. Okay, the first step is to head over to this video website, which is called mix.com. all right, so this is a platform that I like too much, and this website is also going to simply give you some cool traffic from human being, and it's going to simply give you higher traffic from the Taiwan countries like United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia and a lot more. Right, so scroll down a little bit right, you're going to see these are people that are publishing videos right here, but it is not only video that you can publish on this very website. You can simply go ahead and publish content. You can download the app on Play Store and App Store. Okay, and get this done for yourself. All right, and this is the first one. The second website that I use to get traffic without minding SEO, without minding Google and Bing, a lot of that. Okay, I use this one, which is called Hub Pages. Select your blog topic from this very section, and the next one, which is one of the best I like so much, is Blog Loving. This is a directory for all bloggers. Okay, so if you're a blogger and you're not on this very website, you are missing a lot. This is Blog Loving, a blog directory. Just come over to this section, click on this new post right here. You can add your blog post. Okay, and you don't only add one blog content and expect to get millions of traffic. It doesn't work that way. You have to stay consistent with this, and the best thing I advise you to do is this: if you have a blog website, make sure you have a funnel where you can simply channel your audience back to yourself, all right, so that they don't just visit and not visit again. Create a Telegram channel, create a WhatsApp group or a WhatsApp channel, or you create a social media page, or you create an email sign up form where they can easily sign up with. Whenever you publish a post, it is going to simply go around to all of them. All right, okay, you can as well go ahead and check that for yourself, and this is going to simply help you. Make sure you get your blog website optimized and developed for you and get started with this very strategy. I would advise you to go ahead and get a standard website for yourself. It could be a .com domain, a .net, a .org, a .site and a lot more. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, I want you to hit that like button, subscribe to this very channel. So see you in my next video.